Why you don't need to pay to learn crypto in 2025 if you are a beginner? You know, a lot of people pay hundreds of dollars every day, all because of lack of understanding or knowing the right thing to do. You know, any space you are new, that's how it always happens. But in today's video, I'm going to show you where you can learn from professionals with high quality materials, and we should definitely turn you from a beginner to a pro in few days, 100% free with high quality videos which should help you to understand everything in detail. So what you're going to do for me right now before we can proceed is to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Let's go into the section. We're going to start from Udemy, right? A lot of people don't know they can get access to, to course for Udemy for 100% free without paying a dime. Right, so let's go to our Udemy to see how you can get access to this for 100% free from professionals. What you need to do after coming to our Udemy, make sure you create an account. If you don't have an account yet, just go to your Play Store or App Store, download Udemy. You can check it here on my phone. Let me zoom it out. Udemy. Just go to your Play Store, App Store, download it. After downloading, click on it and log in your account. After you sign up and create an account, you come over to the search bar here and type, you are looking for crypto trading course. Just type crypto, right? Crypto trading course. Right, good. Right, then you're going to click on search. You allow it to load, right? Boom, here we go. You notice all the courses here are paid. You're going to see the first one here. How much is the first one? About 49,000, 59,000, 59,000, 59,000, 14,000. This education is not free, but how can you gain access to this for free? By coming to the three dot here. Just click on the three dot. Then you're going to see rating, pay, and free. You click on free, then click on apply. Boom, here we go. Right, here we go, and you can see everything in details for 100% free. Example, the first one here, which is Flash Crypto Trading Basic Course. You click on it, and these are all what you're going to learn from this course here, which is 100% free from professionals that have already been on the crypto space for years. If you go to the next one here, learn crypto trading and investing from scratch. If you click on it, you click on, if you watch the video, right, let's watch it later to see what we're going to learn from the course.
We're going to talk about ways of making money with cryptocurrency.
This is how simple it is. The only thing you have to do is to click on this option here, go to course, right? And here we go. These are all what you're going to learn from these. And if you're not cool, maybe after learning this particular one, you learn from this person, you're not cool, you can move to the second one. And with this, in less than few days, you will see yourself from being a novice, to a professional crypto trader. If you like what I do right now, kindly subscribe to my YouTube right now. On my next video, I'm going to talk about where you can learn one of the most high profitable crypto trading strategy, which is going to help you to stay consistent and make some money every day from the crypto market. So I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Bye for now.